Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
This isn't Charlie, this is his mom, Karen.
Hi, Karen.
Karen.
Sorry, I can't really say words, right?
Unfortunately, you did say something right to Charlie and now he's crying about it. You
Wait.
called him a poo-poo head last match?
I didn't call no one poo-poo head last match.
You called my son, Charlie, a poo-poo head?
I didn't call Charlie poo-poo head.
He's crying right now. I would like if you would apologize to Charlie.
I never called Charlie a poo-poo head. I didn't call Charlie nothing.
Is your mom around? I would like to speak with her about this issue.
You want to speak to my mommy?
Yes.
No.
So you're just going to keep harassing my child?
I'm not harassing no one. You want to know why? Because I didn't call Charlie bad word.
We don't use the P word in my house.
Really?
If you ever come for my child again, I will sue you.
Okay. I mean, do you know who I am?
The person that's been harassing my child, yes.
I never harass anybody because I'm nice boy.